Hi, my name is Talha Parkar, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make a clustered bar chart. In the previous videos I've showed you how to make a stacked bar chart. We will be focusing on the clustered bar chart in this one. So come to the visualizations pane. It is in the first row, left, third from the left, the clustered bar chart. I will expand this, and now I will come to my fields. I want to see my category. Along with that, maybe I want to see my regions as well, and I want to see my segments as well, and I want to see my profit. So you see I have my category and segment in the axis, I have my region in the legend, and I have profit in the value. Actually, I'll drag my category down here and I'll put my region up there. Yeah, 1 second. Yes. So you can see the 4 regions and the 3 categories. Now when I look at this visual, it tells me something. All these bars that are going towards the right, you see the values here. This is a negative value. It shows that I had a loss. Now you want to also see how much sales you did here in the central region for the furniture category. So you have a feature called tooltip, which is in under the fields option over here. So all you have to do is drag sales or click on the checkbox and you have sales right here. Now look at what will happen. It will show me 4 things now in my data labels. It's showing me my region, which is central, my category, which is furniture, my profit, that is negative 2871, and it shows me my sales. So tooltips are a useful feature. I will cover that in detail. Now as you can see, I have my segment as well, but you don't see my segment right here, do you? So now we have a feature in Power BI in many of the visuals that allows us to expand. So you see the button right here. I'll zoom in a bit. So this button is it called a drill down button, and this is the expand button. Within one click, the whole chart will show me all of the fields that I have kept inside the visual. So I click on the expand button. See, it breaks up even further and shows me everything in detail. So I have the name of the chart as the profit and sales by region, segment, and my category. So to make this something manually would have taken us some time. In Power BI, all you have to do is click 5 to 6 times and you have such a beautiful visual that does analysis on its own and lets you take healthy informed business decisions. So to go back up to the previous level, all you have to do is click on drill up and you'll be back to where you started. So this is the expand button and this is the drill up button. Thank you. I hope you learned something new. Stay tuned for more videos on Power BI. Thank you.